Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Beading, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make these colorful twirl seed beads earrings in super easy steps. Consider subscribing with the bell, liking, sharing and commenting. In this way you're guaranteed you will receive more content from me. If you want additional video courses and digital beading patterns from my website, you might consider becoming a member, which is totally inexpensive and it has a high value. Check description and the join button. Okay guys, so what I'm using for this video are 7 colors of 11/0 seed beads. By the way, you could do it with 2, one dark color to outline the shape and one inner color if you don't have that much colors, but I just think it's really cute. So I'm using black, yellow, orange, red, blue, purple and light green. Earring findings: nylon thread that is 0.3 millimeters of thickness. Use your favorite brand of thread, size 11 beading needle and scissors. And I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. And in my next step guys, I'm going to alternate a black and a colorful bead. So it's black yellow, black orange, black red, black blue, black purple and black light green. If you use 2 colors, use only black and the color you want, okay? Now I'm going to slide those down. I'll put my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is to make a knot. I'm making my knot by making here a loop, going twice through the loop I've made, pull gently and make just one more knot. And I want to go through some beads in this direction. And as I'm exiting here from the yellow, I take 3 yellows and 2 black beads and I go in my next color, which is orange. I take 3 orange beads and 2 black, 3 of the color I'm exiting out of, plus 2 black, and I go in the next color. It is red. Then 3 of the color I'm exiting out of and 2 black beads and go in the next color. Three of the color I'm exiting out of plus 2 black again, next color. Again the same sequence. Three light green and 2 black, and pay attention where you go here at this yellow that is in the center. Don't make the mistake to go through one of these yellows here. Okay, in my next step I want to go through these 2 yellow beads. Then I take 3 yellows and 2 black, so the color I'm exiting out of, 3 of it and 2 black. So it's similar like the previous steps, but pay attention where I go here at this black that's on my way, the closest black that's on my way. And I take orange and I'm going through the 3rd orange, counting from the center. Okay, I have this. Again, 3 orange, 2 black. Go in the first black. 1 red. Go in this red, which is the 3rd one, counting from the center. 3 red, 2 black. Next black. A blue one, And I will continue this, guys, absolutely the same way until the end of this row. Okay, and here pay attention, 1, 2, 3, go through the third colorful bead from the center. And what I want to do is go here through these 2 yellow beads. Okay, and I have this. And I continue, guys, my work with 5 beads. 5 of this color I'm exiting out of. I skip here the bead that's sticking out the most and I go through the black one. I need 2 blacks and 1 orange, and I go through this one that is next to the one that's sticking out the most. Then I take 5 orange beads, skip here the top and go in the next. 2 blacks, 1 red, go in this red that's next to the one that's sticking out again. 5 red, 2 blacks, 1 next color, go here. And I will continue this, guys, until the end of this row. Okay, and here is my last step, and pay attention where I go. I go through the one that is the 5th one, counting from the center. Okay. And then I go through the next 2. And I'm adding here 1 yellow, 3 black, 1 yellow. I skip the one that's sticking out the most and I go through the following. Then I take 3 yellow and I go in the last black that's on my way. Then I take 2 black beads and my next color. And I go here through this orange bead, guys, that is next to the one that's sticking out the most. Then I take orange, 3 blacks and orange, skip here the center and go through the next. 3 orange, go in the last black. 2 blacks, 1 red, and go here in the same place where you did before, next to the one that's sticking out here. And then again the same sequence of 5 red, 3 blacks and 5, 3 reds, and go here. And I'm going to continue this, guys, until the end of this row. Okay guys, and I'm going here in the same place like I did with my previous petals. Don't make the mistake to go through this next yellow. Okay guys, and here I'm adding 2 blacks and 1 yellow, and I go here in the same place as before through this yellow. Don't make the mistake to go through the next yellow. Now guys, I want to go in this direction, and before I continue with my next step, I want to attach my earring finding here, because later I will be going too many times through those beads and I'm not sure if I will be able to add it. And I take a black bead, my earring finding, and a black bead, and I go backwards like this. Then I go in the next black bead. Here I take 2 blacks, 1 yellow, and I go here guys through the middle of those 3 that I added in my previous row. Another yellow, go here, 3 blacks, go like this, again 2 blacks, my same color, and go here, same color, go here, 3 black, then 2 black and same color, 1 bead, go in this middle one that's sticking out, 1 red, go in the last black, and 3 black. And I'm going to continue these guys until the here, and I'll be back. And I'm here guys where I'm adding my last 3 black beads, and here I won't be able to go through this bead where I attached my earring finding, but I will go through the next beads. And you could stop it up to here, but I prefer to add an additional row. Okay, I take 3 and I go through this black that's on my way. Okay, then I go through all of those black beads, and I take 3 more here. And I will continue doing this guys until the end, adding 3 beads everywhere. And when I'm up to this point, I'll be back to tell you how to finish your work. Okay guys, and I'm adding here my last 3 beads from this row. And my last step is just to make a knot and cut my thread. How I'm doing it, I'm making here a loop, and I'm going twice through the loop that I've made. Then I can go through some beads in this direction, and I will cut my thread as close as possible to my work. Okay guys, and now my twirl seed beads earrings are ready. If you like them, consider liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing with the bell for more content like this. If you want additional video courses and digital patterns from me, you might want to become a member. More info in description and at the join button. Now click on the video that you see on your screens and continue watching.